It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do the perfect lineup, right? You do the perfect lineup, how to make a crispy lineup on top of that. And you know, this lineup right here can get you easy $40 just on the lineup, right? I ain't gonna cap and be like, hey, it's $100, my lineup $100. I've done $100 lineups, true and fact, but this wasn't $100 lineup, no cap, right? So the thing you want to do with a lineup, first things first, you want to brush all the hair out as much as possible, and then after that you want to keep the integrity of the hairline, meaning do not under any circumstances push this thing back. Second thing you're gonna need is that Mr. Outliner detailing mist. And if you ain't got it, go get it. It's on my website, Mr.Outliner.com, no dot, MROUTLINER, right? And once you get that outliner detailing mist on there, you can dry. You can wait for it to dry. You can use a blow dryer and make it dry faster. Once you get that done, then you can start your lineup, right? The detailing mist is dried up. You brushed it out, combed it out. Look at this line, right? I'm not pushing it back. This is his natural line. All you have to do, all we gotta do is follow the natural line. I don't know why it's so hard for barbers to do this when it's a natural line. Sometimes you have to modify it slightly, but you should never have to like super push back like that, right? You know, some edge ups come in way too close. If you see the video that's going around, I did a woman and she wanted her natural lineup and her forehead was like super small, right? So if you might seen that video, if you haven't, that video is on my channel, but it's, you know, it's going around. It's like a lot of views. People are really like roasting me. You dig what I'm saying? Like, bruh, this is what the customer asked for. Sometimes even if you know something not right or you don't feel it's right in your eyes, you still have to do it because that's what the customer asked you to do, right? So unless a customer asks you to push it back, don't push them back, right? So like I said, the main thing is to stay exactly on the line, the integrity of it, the natural line, how it goes. You don't want to push back, right? And a way for you to do that without pushing them back is to pull away. You see how I'm pulling away? Pull away, you know, don't go back into the head, right? And that'll kind of help you out too. So another tip, you have to visualize this thing, right? So once you do that, you know, it's a lot of other things that go into this that I can tell you about, but these are just the basics, right? So the same thing you do to this side, you do to the other side. I'll speed it up a little bit, and then you can watch me do the other side, and then when we get to the front, I'll show you the front. I'll walk you through the front part of the lineup. again, on this side, we want to do the exact same thing. So you can kind of see right here, I'm prepping the edge up. You see I'm trying to brush the hair down as much as possible, get everything in place. We already sprayed our detailing mist. You can see this exact thing that I'm following on this side that I did on the other side. It's already curved. He already has this like C cup going, so I can define this C cup a little better than it naturally is. But other than that, I'm gonna keep everything simple and get ready to do the front part of the edge up. Now, right here, I want you to pay attention to the hair fiber that I use is Gofybr, right? And I use this hair atomizer to help me disperse the hair fiber, right? So, along with combing the hair, brushing the hair, and preparing it, you need Mr.Outliner Detailing Mist, you need hair fiber, and you need a hair atomizer. Now look, you see the difference where I'm spraying it at? I got the card where I made this natural line. This is the part that's not matching up. So all you want to do is match everything up. See that? Like, it's not too dark. It fits right in, right? We got the perfect look. Boom. The only part about it is sometimes you want them to have a little bit more hair right there. in order to, you know, stick and look really that much more natural. You know what I mean? But if we just trying to achieve a look for today and tomorrow, this is what we want to do. And it also assists in being getting everything crispy. So the excess hair, you want to wipe that away. After you wipe that away, you want to use that same card, put it in the same spot, use the Mr. Outliner Detailing Mist in order to lock it in, right? We're just trying to lock those hair fibers in so it'll last him a few days, right? So that's what we want to do. Now that we have that together, we sit, we wait, we let it dry. Drying takes about 30 seconds, right? Depending on how much you saturate it, right? Then you turn the chair to the other side and do the exact same thing. After that, you want to come back, everything is dry, everything's set in place. You can come back and now you can detail with your detailers. Make sure you're using the detailers, man. Like, it's some other stuff that goes along with it. Your clippers gotta be sharp and all this type of stuff that gotta be set right. Like, you know, and I got a video on that too if you need to know how to zero gap your detailers if you got some. And I use detailers because, not because I'm sponsored by Wall, right? Everybody know that, but because these clippers are truly solid. Like, I've had all the trimmers. The only trimmer I haven't had is the bevel. Any other trimmer you can name, I already had it. I already dealt with it, and true enough, I can make any of them hit. But not only can I make them hit with these detailers, they also feel good in my hand. So I want you to understand also that when you're using a trimmer or clipper, it's gotta feel good in your hand. You have to learn how to hold it, master it. If it's too heavy, if it's too light, it's gotta be perfect, right? So that's why I chose the detailer, because it covers all of those things for me, right? So like I said, once everything is dry, everything is in place, you come back, detail, boom, you're coming out crispy, coming out hard. You see what I'm saying? We like MJG, 8-Ball and MJG, we coming out hard. Memphis, Tennessee, baby. You heard me? But that's for my older folks, probably don't know nothing about that. But look, so that's what it is, right? You got everything looking how you want it. This is all about detailing at this point. You taking your time, you looking at it from multiple angles, just trying to make sure the lineup is fire. So when he look in the mirror, he gonna be like, yeah, he ready to go, he good. You know, whatever date he going on tonight, he in there like swimwear, you dig? But anyway, so this is like my favorite part of a haircut. You know, I named myself Mr. Outliner because of that. You know, a haircut, it can get boring. The only time you can really, sometimes you can get creative outside of the haircut is with the hairline. Hey man, how crispy can I make this? How straight can I make his front line? You know, you see that front line? You see the front line? You know what I'm saying? We on front line like in the military, man. This front line right here. So anyway, but this is the most exciting part for me, because I get to get in my zone on this thing, right? Like, I know I'm money with that. You know, somebody probably, maybe I need to start a lineup challenge for YouTube barbers or something. You know, show your lineup from start to finish. You know what I mean? You know, because a lot of times they don't do that, right? They don't really show you that. And I'm probably one of the few that does, right? And I'll show you, you know what I mean? So, because if you're going to watch my channel, I want you to learn something, right? And if you ain't learning nothing from my channel, then, hey, you need to go to a channel where you can learn, right? So this is what I like to do. You know, this is what I wanted to show y'all today because I felt like, hey man, you know, a lot of clients come to me and say, man, the barber did this, he pushed me back, he did this, he did that. You know, hey man, you know, so if I can help a up and coming barber or a barber that's been barbering and you know you're struggling a little bit to get your, you know, your swag down with your lineup, this is the video for you. Hey, do me a favor, y'all. I want y'all to share the video. I want y'all to share it, like send it to somebody. Send it to somebody you know in barber school starting out that it can help. Send it to somebody. You know what I mean? Watch the video. Tag me in it on Instagram. I'll repost it on my story. People ask me about promotion all the time. Hey, how can I get some shout out? Can I get some promotion? Hey man, quick tip, easy tip. I'm gonna give you right now. If you do something using somebody's product or watching their video or something, they probably gonna repost you. All you gotta do is tag them in it. Free promotion, that's your shout out. Why I gotta go on there and intentionally shout you out when you can do something to make me shout you out? Right? That's free game because I told somebody in my comments before, like, hey man, you know, you asked me for a shout out, do something shout out worthy, and I got you. He probably ain't understand exactly what I was saying, but that's what I was saying. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. Make sure you share. Make sure you go to my Instagram, Mr. Outliner. It's the same as my YouTube channel. I know how we doing. I'm dropping heat for the rest of this year. I'm dropping heat like it's summertime already. You dig what I'm saying? But until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.